Welcome back to Fit Body Sharp Mind. Today we're sharing 6 simple but powerful exercises to help you lose belly fat and sculpt your core. Let's get into it. Exercise 1, leg raises. Lie on your back and lift your legs up and down without touching the floor. Keep your core tight throughout. Exercise 2, reverse crunch. Bring your knees toward your chest while lifting your hips. Great for hitting those lower abs. Exercise 3, in and out. Sit slightly back and bring your knees in and out. Controlled motion is key here. Flutter kicks are excellent for burning belly fat and building lower ab strength. Keep your legs off the floor. Exercise 5, scissor kicks. Alternate crossing your legs with a tight core. Avoid arching your back. Last one, Russian twists. Twist side to side while balancing on your glutes. This targets your obliques. Do this workout 3 to 4 times a week. Stay consistent and you'll feel the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more from Fit Body Sharp Mind.